So you may have already heard that with Facebook, you can now see what advertisements any business page is now running on their platform. So if you're curious and wondering how you can actually see these ads, I'm going to show you in this quick video. So all you've got to do is go to Facebook and search for any business page using the search box. Go to their page, and then on the left here, you'll see where it says info and ads. So click on info and ads, and then you'll be able to see all of the Facebook ads that this business page is running. So I'm just using my business page as an example, but this will work with any business page, whether you're an admin or not an admin, it doesn't matter, it works with anyone. So if you just scroll down, you'll be able to see all of the different ads that that company is running. And what you can also do is see what ads they're running in different countries. So you can see if they're running any different ads in the UK or in the US. And what basically people are really using this feature for, I'd say there's a few things. The first thing is that people are using this to have a look at what their competitors are doing. And the other thing that you can do that I think is quite cool is you can actually get inspiration from other business pages and see what they're doing as well. Now, Facebook obviously doesn't tell you how well these ads are actually performing, so just keep that in mind when you're doing this research. You know, this is just to give you an idea of what people are actually doing, but you don't actually know if the ad is working well or not. So, you know, don't take it as, you know, if you see someone running an ad, don't take it as if that ad is definitely working really well, because a lot of the time people run lots of different ads to test what works and what doesn't. But it's still a cool little feature that you can now do on Facebook. So let me know what you think. Do you think that this is a good thing from Facebook? Do you think it's good that now all of this data is out there in the open? Facebook say that they're doing this so advertisers need to be more transparent, or, you know, it sort of will stop people from abusing their system and things like that, because now anyone can see anyone's ads on Facebook. So, you know, people will maybe think twice before posting a certain type of ad. That's kind of Facebook's thinking behind it. Or let me know if you don't like this idea. And either way, it'd be good to hear your thoughts. So I personally think that this is a good thing. I'm going to be using this mainly for inspiration, just to see what else people are doing, just to maybe get some ideas on what else I could be doing as well. But again, let me know what you think. Do you think this is a good thing? Do you think this is a bad thing? Or do you just don't really care? Either way. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.